Today, I'm going to teach you how to say my car, your house, or his, her apartment. First, let's remember the personal pronouns in Turkish. Ben, sen, o, biz, siz, onlar. We have 6 personal pronouns. Now, we're going to add the genitive case suffixes to the personal pronouns. I have not covered the genitive case in detail yet, but you may remember this from the previous videos. The genitive case suffix is in, un, or ün, depending on the vowel harmony. These suffixes are attached to the personal pronouns except for the first singular and plural person. For the first singular and plural person, the suffix changes to im. Now, let's take a look at them. Benim, senin, onun, bizim, sizin, onların. So, if you want to say my car, this is pretty simple, isn't it? How do we say car in Turkish? Araba, araba. And we have just learned how to say my, benim, benim. So, in this case, what we say is benim araba, benim araba. Well, this is not finished yet. In Turkish, this construction is called possessive construction, and it has 2 parts, possessor and possessed. In this type of construction, the possessed needs to receive the possessive suffix. Therefore, we attach the possessive suffix to the word araba, and then we say benim arabam, benim arabam. Me at the end of araba is the possessive suffix for the first singular person. Now, let's take a look at what happens for all persons. Benim arabam, senin araban, onun arabası, bizim arabamız, sizin arabanız, onların arabası. In such constructions, it is also possible to add additional adjectives between the possessor and possessed, like this. Benim kırmızı arabam, benim kırmızı arabam, benim kırmızı ve hızlı arabam, benim kırmızı ve hızlı arabam. Here, you need to be careful. The adjective needs to be in between the possessor and the possessed. Otherwise, the meaning will change. Benim kırmızı arabam means my red car. If you say benim arabam kırmızı, benim arabam kırmızı, then this means my car is red. And if you say kırmızı benim arabam, kırmızı benim arabam, then this would mean the red one is my car. In addition, you may want to use more than one noun for the possessed part. If you want to say my computer and printer, in Turkish we would say benim bilgisayarım ve yazıcım, benim bilgisayarım ve yazıcım. As you see, both nouns receive the possessive suffix. However, when we use 2 or more nouns like this, we can add the possessive suffix only to the last noun and omit the other ones. For example, benim bilgisayar ve yazıcım, benim bilgisayar ve yazıcım. This use is also very common. Here are some more examples. Senin ev ve araban, senin ev ve araban. Onun ceket ve paltosu, onun ceket ve paltosu. Onun kalem, defter ve silgisi, onun kalem, defter ve silgisi. But it is definitely possible to add the possessive suffix to all of the nouns. In addition, in such constructions, the possessor can be omitted as well. Yes, it's possible. Well, the possessive suffix, as the name suggests, gives the meaning of possession already. For example, benim adım Sercan. Benim adım Sercan. This means my name is Sercan. If I only say adım Sercan, adım Sercan, this also means my name is Sercan. The possessive suffix indicates that the name belongs to the first singular person. It belongs to me. Another example. Ziyaretin beni çok mutlu etti. Ziyaretin beni çok mutlu etti. And here is another example. Evini görmeyi çok isterim. Evini görmeyi çok isterim. This sentence can mean I would love to see your house, or I would love to see her house. Definitely, you can easily understand as a listener from the context while you're in a conversation with someone. But if we look at the sentence as it is without a context, this sentence can be formed in two different ways. Like this. Senin evini görmeyi çok isterim. Senin evini görmeyi çok isterim. And onun evini görmeyi çok isterim. Onun evini görmeyi çok isterim. Let me show you the suffixes of the word evini so you can understand better what's going on here. When we say senin evini, ev means house. In is the possessive suffix for the second singular person, sen, and i is the accusative case suffix. And when we say onun evini, ev again means house. I is the possessive suffix for the third singular person, o. Ne is the buffer letter, and the last i is the accusative case suffix. So far, in all of the examples, I used singular nouns for the possessed part of the construction. And now, let's use plural nouns. Again, the noun will first receive the plural suffix ler or lar depending on the vowel harmony. And then the possessive suffix will be attached at the end except for the third plural. For the third plural, the noun receives only the possessive suffix because that possessive suffix already refers to two or more things. Now, let's take a look at them. Benim arkadaşlarım, senin arkadaşların, onun arkadaşları, bizim arkadaşlarımız, sizin arkadaşlarınız, onların arkadaşları. Before we finish today, I would like to take your attention to this sentence. Onlar babaları ile konuşuyor. Onlar babaları ile konuşuyor. This sentence can mean they are speaking with their father and they are speaking with their fathers. So basically, siblings might be speaking with their father, or two or more people might be speaking with their fathers. That is to say, each person might be speaking with his or her father. Onlar babaları ile konuşuyor may refer to both conditions. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you in the next videos. Görüşmek üzere.